Hello everyone, in this video we are going to create this amazing loading animation using React Native Reanimated and React Native Skia. So let's get started. Alright, let's get started. So in this video we are going to use React Native Reanimated, and also we are going to use React Native Skia as a third-party package. And then we have the index file, so we will create our component in this file itself. So initially let's add the background color as black, and also let's create a layout file, so then we can get rid of these edges. Alright, so now we can add a canvas from Skia. For the canvas, let's add a style of flex 1, and then we can add the circles. So let's add the circle for the middle circle actually. So to center the circle we need to use the dimension API. We need to get both width and height. Then with this we can add them over here. The X will be device width divided by 2, and CY device height divided by 2, and we need to add the radius. So we can create a const for that. Radius, let's say 50. Alright, and we need to add a color as well. Let's add white. Okay, this is the first circle. So now we can add another circle, that is what we are gonna animate. Let's add a comment over here saying, let's say point A. So this one also, initially this is the starting point, so actually we can add a constant for that as well. Initial X and then initial Y. Alright, so let's try to animate the point A first, and then we can add the rest of the points. So first we need to create a use share value from React Native Reanimated. So initially it will be 0, and we can use effect and change the progress value. The value we're gonna use with timing, and here we are changing it to 1. Duration is 1 second. And then we didn't use the radius here, so let's exit. Alright, so now we need to create point AX. We can use we have to use the use derived value hook from Reanimated. So from here we can use the interpolate again from React Native reanimated. And here now what we can do is we can use the progress value, so it will be changed from 0 to 1. So then this will be let's try to edit manually and see. So basically we need to move the first point over here. So what we can do that is we can basically we need to reduce this by some value. So let's say it's 100. So what we can here do is instead of this, when it is 0 it's initial value, otherwise it will be 0 minus 100. So we can pass this over here, point x dot value, or actually point ax itself, and then we can do the same for point ay. So we can it's really simple with the Copilot. So yeah, then here let's see, yeah, this is the same, so we can use it over here. Alright, so you guys can see it works, the animation works fine for now. So we need to add that metabolic effect. So to do that we need to create a group over here. So in this group we need to add we need to import it from React Native Skia, and then here there's a property called layer, so we need to create a layer for it. So we can create use memo for this. So here we need to return the paint from Skia, and then we need to pass the blur again from Skia. Here it should be blur, and let's pass it over here and see how it looks like. Alright, so this is blurred now. So then we can use this color matrix, and here we need to pass matrix which is an array. So here we can pass these values. So these are basically RGB, A and bias. So the values we are interested in, these two values, the alpha and the bias. So we can change these values and see how it works. Okay, we need to add prettier ignore, otherwise it will do the formatting. Alright, so let's change these values and let's try to run the animation again. So you guys can see it's now quite okay. So I think we can leave it as it is. And then what we can actually do is we can add the other points as well. So before that we need to create the circles. Circle B, over the point B, C and D. Now we can create these values, point BX. So there what we need to do is the point B needs to go here, so which means the X value is correct. Then point BY, yeah, this is also correct, so we can use them over here. Point BX and point BY. Okay, these we need to fix these stuff. So let's see so far what's happening. Okay, we have a small issue there. Yeah, this should be white. Alright, so we can add the rest of the circles. Let's add the rest of the point values. Point CX, point CY, then point D, then the dy. So now we can use them over here. Alright, okay, looks good. So we can reduce this radius size a little bit. So maybe for the circles we can reduce by 10. And let's see how it looks like. Okay, then for the parent we can reduce by 15. Okay, looks good, I think. So now what we can do is actually instead of using these stuff, we can create new variables. Yeah, parent radius will be 35. Then point radius will be 40. So we can use them over here. Alright, let's reload the fancy. Okay, looks fine. So next we need to add this the repeat function from reanimated. So with repeat, and then we can add the number of repetitions as -1, which means it's gonna repeat all the time. And then the reverse we can add let's add true and see how it looks like. Yeah, looks good. You can see the metabolic effect as well. So next what we need to do is we need to rotate our component as well. So for that let's create a new shared value. Let's say rotate. Use shared. Initially it will be 0. Then next what I'm going to do is here we can, inside the use effect, we can call rotate.value and we can add with timing. And I'm gonna make it 1 and duration 1 second. And then here I'm gonna create the R style using use animated style hook. Then I'm gonna return the transform the rotate. So here it will be rotate.value and we are gonna rotate 180 degrees. Let's add it to our canvas. So to add it over there we need to make it animated canvas. Right, so we can use animated from reanimated. Now we can change this to animated canvas, and now we can pass the art style over here. Let's reload the app. Alright, so now we need to add the repeat here as well. Here it's -1, and then make it true and see how it works. Alright, so we can make it false and see how it works. So you can see here, when I make it false, it doesn't, oh yeah, it works fine. So it looks good. We can make it true as well and see what is the best option. I think it's best when it false. Alright, looks good. I think let's try to reduce this parent radius a little bit and see how it looks like. Yeah, I think now it's good. Yeah, I think that's it from this video, guys. So hope you guys enjoyed this video. So you can like this video, share with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And you can put your comments in the comment section. I will reply to your comments whenever possible. So I'll see you guys in the next video soon. Bye.